Hello friends, day 10 of our 45-day challenge is starting now. I am sure that you have completed your assignment of day 9. Accountancy was little tricky, little difficult, but by using the model answer, you probably must have cracked the answer. So go through that thing properly. Now today's paper is of law and maths. In law, I have covered 3 questions as usual. The first question is a factual question. It is talking about LLP, especially the naming of LLP. That is something which is asked there. So please read the provisions in relation to LLP naming, change of name, compulsorily change, etc. Those points you will be asked in the exam. And then there are 2 questions of case study. One question is of partnership. Probably you are again very familiar with it. That is true test of partnership. But it is asked not as a factual question. It is asked as a case study question. So how there is a distinction between the co-ownership and partnership, that is required to be seen there. So it's a nice question. You'll have to write it in a proper manner. Then the next question which is there is about the Negotiable Instrument Act. It is about the presentment of a promissory note. So read that particular thing before appearing for the today's test. And then in maths, sets theory is considered, sequence and series are considered, and then lot of logical reasoning questions are considered, which I'm very sure that you will find it easy to understand. But yes, you will have to go for APGP properly, and some questions of sequence and series are little tricky questions. So all the best for all of you. Bye-bye.